What is up, you beautiful people? Welcome to another online money hooks video. This video we're going to be talking about how you guys can go about and make $100 to $200 a day using Facebook free traffic with no ads. So thanks very much guys for watching. I'm going to be starting the next 2 minutes. I just want to bring you some value and just really talk about what's really worked for me, that's been making me some good income online, that has made me $200 in less than 48 hours, and about even more than that for other people. And that is the exact method that I'm about to show you right now. So if you're really serious about making money online, then really stick to till the end of this video, because I have really some really cool amazing bonuses that you guys are going to be able to benefit from. So without further ado and wasting much of your time guys, let's get right into the video. So what we'll be covering here is exactly how you can go out this week and make $200 using this exact method that I'm about to show you guys. The exact tools that I and many others are using to generate an income online. So I'll give you the exact tools that everybody is using, as well as myself, to make it easier for you guys to go out there, implement, and have all the tools ready and done for you to go. So how you can take this method and use it for your own tools online using with all the done for you tools that I have. I want you to take this method so that you can use it using all the done for you tools that I'll be able to provide with you guys. So step one is you need to select a niche topic or an industry that interests you or that you're not knowledgeable about. This can basically be about maybe affiliate marketing, internet marketing, make money online. It can be about cooking, it can be about health, it can be about investing, it can be about crypto, it can be about anything. So once you pick that, the next step is you're gonna need to look for groups and pages where your target market audience hangs out on Facebook. So here's a really cool example. I'm gonna end this show right now just for the sake of showing you guys what it's about. So we're gonna go to facebook.com and we're gonna do some search and actually be practical about what we are talking about. So let's say I'm interested in maybe say healthy living, healthy living for a healthy life, healthy living group. So you've got all sorts of niches online that you can check for, and once you search that up, you can go ahead and select the groups tab and you'll be able to join all these groups. So these would be your industries, or you can search for maybe say entrepreneurship and business, and you'll be able to find some amazing groups that you can go ahead and join. As you can see, it's global entrepreneurs, business and entrepreneurship, network marketing. So it's a whole bunch of stuff that you can really do. And without wasting much of your time here, I'm gonna go back to the slides. So we've got to step 2 and we've selected an audience that you want to promote stuff to. And step 3 is want to look for a product that sells and pays like at least a minimum $100. So there's a number of places that you can find products to sell, and one of them is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has a really cool, amazing affiliate program that you can go ahead. As you can see, there's a $100 one funnel away challenge that you can sell and get $100 for. You can promote these books and make, I think, $174. You can promote the funnel script and make almost $800 off of that for every sale that you bring in. You can promote ClickFunnels and you can be able to generate anywhere between $38 to $118, because once you break this down into 40%, it gives you like 118 if you sell this offer for $297. And if you sell the $97 plan ClickFunnels, you get $38. So it's as simple as that. Another cool product that you can also promote is the one funnel away challenge that pays out $100 for every sale that you bring in. Sorry. So we're at step 3 now. We found a product. So I'm gonna show you some really cool results from people that have used this as well as myself. So as you can see, I earned $200 for 2 sales that I brought in, and this is in less than 48 hours. So the other guys that have done this also, you've got Tricky that hit $100 mark in 7 days, and she made $1,000. So you've got Davis that did it in like a day too. Then you've got J Lopez that did it in less than 10 days, and Glenn here that also showed another person that also did it in less than a week. So all these guys have been getting really amazing results. The list is endless. So a few examples of products that I have sold personally that have made me $200 in less than 24 hours was the one funnel away challenge that pays $100 for every sale, and those are the results that you just saw that I showed you of the $200 that I made. And you can also promote ClickFunnels, and you can get paid between 38 to 118 for every sale that you bring in. So this is now what I brought you here for. If you want to get all this, if you want to go ahead and make all that money, you can go ahead and purchase the one funnel away challenge today. It's only like, should be $100. So if we go to one funnel away challenge, so normally it comes up every after 10-15 days. There's another one starting. So anytime that you may be viewing this video, you'll be able to sign up. So you can basically just come over here, sign up for the one funnel away challenge, and I'm going to give you some really cool amazing bonuses. Sorry, I'm skipping to, I keep going back to OBS. So you can sign up for the one funnel away challenge and get your kit shipped, because the one funnel away challenge is something that I also took. Let me just go ahead and log into the one funnel away challenge members area. So this is inside the members area that I am in right now, and these are the mission trainings you get on how to go about to sell stuff online, how to build your offers, how to create traffic, how to build your funnels and all that. But the good part about what I'm offering right now is you'll be able to have everything done for you, including the funnels. So I'll show you one funnel that's really done well. So you can, two things that you need to do. You need to purchase the one funnel away challenge. You need to sign up for the 14-day ClickFunnels trial, and you can get my one-click import of all the templates into your account. So I've got multiple funnel templates that you can use to go ahead and sell ClickFunnels, and also the one funnel away challenge. These templates you can sell to local businesses like restaurants, real estate agents, those takeout bars, and all sorts of stuff, realtors. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Then you can, for the one funnel away challenge, you can add your affiliate link to the challenge template, and you'll be able to get commission for that. So all you need to do is go into these groups like we talked about, and go ahead and start those conversations. So here's what I promised: the exact funnel that has made over $40,000+ using this method, access to my private group where I offer coaching and support for everybody that's signed up under me as an affiliate, and a free 30-minute Zoom call with me where I get to answer all your objections, all your queries, all your question marks that you may have about everything. So this is about it. So if you guys feel this would be something that would really work for you guys, then I'd really highly advise you go out there and just implement this method. Even if you don't have a the tools, you can go ahead and sign up for a free ClickFunnels account, and I'll be able to send you guys the tools that you need. All you have to do is you can leave a comment in the description of this video if you sign up for ClickFunnels under me, and if you also purchase the 1 funnel away challenge, and I'll check with my back office and ensure that you've signed up, and I'll be able to deliver all those bonuses to you guys. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.